Imagine creating a stunning, ultra-realistic AI influencer with beautiful Arabic eyes, a Western look, and lifelike animations, using nothing but free tools and a few clever prompts. Yes, it's possible. And in this video, I'll show you exactly how I did it, step by step.
This is the final result, an AI-generated influencer created by merging two different facial styles, animated using Whisk AI's powerful video engine. Stylish, expressive, and completely original. Want to learn how to make this? Let's begin.
Let's start by finding one of the most striking features of our character, the eyes. We'll search Google or Pinterest for high-resolution photos of Arabic girls' eyes, because honestly, Arabic eyes are known for their depth, sharpness, and natural beauty. Once you find an image that stands out, save it. We'll use it as a base. Tip: always look for clear, front-facing eyes in soft lighting for better prompt control.
At this stage, we uploaded an image into ChatGPT and asked it to generate a prompt to create a similar image. ChatGPT analyzed the image and gave us a detailed prompt, which we then copied and saved in a Microsoft Word file so we could reuse it later. If you'd like access to that prompt, just let me know in the comments below. I'll be happy to share it with you. Now, we return to ChatGPT and upload our face image again. We ask ChatGPT to write a prompt that will recreate a similar image. Once the prompt is ready, we copy it and save it again. Then we go to Whisk AI and paste the prompt there to check if the description ChatGPT provided actually works in real image generation. And yes, as you can see, the prompt we generated worked exactly as intended. The output image was nearly identical to the visual style we had envisioned.
Before we go further, let's talk about the engine behind all this magic, Whisk AI. Whisk AI, available on labs.google.com, is a cutting-edge AI tool that lets you generate ultra-realistic faces from text prompts, set custom aspect ratios, lighting, and resolution, create pose variations, scenes, and environments, and best of all, animate your character into realistic motion using VO3, Google's latest AI video model. It's perfect for content creators, marketers, storytellers, and anyone looking to make money using AI characters. If you want to unlock the pro account of Whisk AI, I've explained everything in my previous video. Check the description below.
Next, we need the main facial structure. This time, search Google or Pinterest for a Western girl's portrait. Something symmetrical, soft-lit, and elegant. Save this image. We'll now create a unique cultural blend by merging Arabic eyes with a Western face. This fusion creates a truly unique and globally appealing influencer face.
Now, our next goal is to combine the Arabic eyes and the Western facial structure into a single new character. We already have two prompts, one for Arabic eyes, one for a Western-style face. We now go back to ChatGPT and ask, here are two prompts, one for the eyes and one for the face. Please merge them into a single prompt to generate a unique AI character. Paste both saved prompts into ChatGPT and hit Enter. ChatGPT will now generate a brand new combined prompt that merges both styles. Save this new prompt in your document file. This will be our main face prompt, which will generate a mixed and original character that blends Arabic and Western beauty. Now let's test whether this prompt actually works. Go to Whisk AI, paste the combined prompt, and hit Generate. You'll see it. Whisk AI will create a stunningly beautiful and ultra-realistic character with amazing facial detail and lifelike expressions, just as described in our prompt.
Head back to ChatGPT. Give it both descriptions, eyes and face, and ask, create a prompt for a female portrait combining Arabic eyes with a Western facial structure, soft lighting, and elegant features. ChatGPT will give you a refined, detailed prompt. Copy it. Paste this prompt into Whisk AI and click Generate. And there it is, your final, original, and stunning AI character.
Now, let's give this face a body. We're almost done. One final step remains. We need to give our character a full body. To do this, we follow the same process. Find a full body image with the desired dress, pose, or style. Upload it to ChatGPT and ask it to generate a prompt to recreate that exact image. Save that body prompt in your document. Now tell ChatGPT, please merge the facial prompt with this body prompt to create a complete AI character with a face swap. ChatGPT will now generate a new prompt that blends the facial features with the full body structure, including the dress, style, pose, or even the environment if mentioned. Copy this final prompt and save it again. This prompt will now serve as a base for creating multiple versions of your influencer. You can now easily edit this same prompt in small ways, like changing the dress color, pose, location, or expression, and keep generating unique, consistent images.
This character is ready for the world. You can now use her as an AI influencer. Create an Instagram profile, do product reviews, affiliate marketing, even brand sponsorships. Or use her in storytelling videos on YouTube and earn from ads. The possibilities are endless. But wait, what about video? Simple. In Whisk IO, click on the image, then hit the Animate button. You can either write your own detailed motion prompt or let ChatGPT write it for you. For example, the girl slowly turns her head and smiles. Soft breeze in the background. Cinematic lighting. In just a few minutes, Whisk IO with the power of Veil 3 will generate an ultra-realistic video of your character in motion. Download the video and share it on Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube and watch the engagement rise. Want a full tutorial on Whisk AI's animation features? Let me know in the comments. Curious how to unlock the Pro account for free? Watch my previous video, linked in the description. And tell me, what kind of AI character should I create next? If you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to like this video, subscribe to Wikibite AI, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss what's coming next. AI content creation is just getting started, and you're on the front lines. See you in the next one.